Hi everybody, I'm Jerry and was just sent this tiny but mighty garden hose. This thing here is not like the cheap ones that kind of retract and collapse upon themselves. This is more like, I don't know, almost aircraft quality. This is actually a nice inner lining in this thing that's very solid, but then it has this nice fabric over the outside of this that's going to allow this to kind of pull around corners and things like that without marring it up. It also collapses up really nicely, making it very lightweight, but it doesn't have all the bungee straps and stuff trying to pull it, no gimmicks or anything like that. This has just got some really nice fittings on this that groove around really well. It does have some nice gasket in there as well. Very comfortable, has this nice shaft here to kind of keep it from kinking up right around the spigot area so that you're not going to pull it and kink it right there. They even send you with a couple of extra gaskets, which I like. You can always pocket those and use those later on. I'm going to go ahead and screw this on here. This thing can actually, says hold up pressure up to 600 psi and will put out a lot of water. Let's go ahead and turn this thing on here and kind of see what she can do. Now this is a 50-foot hose, so this is a very long hose, as you can see. Let her rip, and there she comes. So yeah, I can kink this off, holds the pressure just fine. Water things out in the yard, in the garden. If you're wanting to water your grass, this will work really well. And then whenever you go to shut it off, it'll just let the water drain right out of here. So this puts out a lot of pressure, feels very comfortable, very solid. We can easily go ahead and attach on a fitting onto the end. So at the end of this, actually it glides on really well and connects into a normal standard exterior water fitting. So you can do that. And now, whenever you're going to use your water fittings outside, has plenty of pressure with any of that as well to water anything that you need to. And again, is a very solid hose. This will actually pull around corners really well because of that fabric. So if you're having to pull this around like around a post or something like that, it's very resistant to kinking. So that kind of thing, it's a very solid inner pipe that should resist a lot of that and still give you plenty of flow.